This amazing Hillcrest with media floor plan from First Texas Homes is featured in the community of LeTara in Hazlet, Texas. This model home includes 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and more than 3,788 square feet of luxury to suit your family's needs. This eye-catching 2-story home plan features brick and stone masonry and an extended covered front porch which offers amazing curb appeal. As you pass through the beautiful custom 8-foot door into the foyer, you'll find an elegant formal dining room with tray ceilings, crown molding, and large beautiful windows perfect for entertaining on special family occasions. Pass through the French doors into the private study, featuring a tray ceiling, crown molding, wainscoting, and an optional upgraded wine rack, making this a perfect home office. The family room is where you'll find many of our most popular upgrades, including a beautiful curved staircase with Juliet balcony, soaring ceilings, a ceiling fan, pre-wiring for surround sound, large beautiful windows, and a tile fireplace with wood mantel. The California kitchen features a massive center island with quartz marble countertops, 42-inch cabinets with upper glass doors, upper and lower cabinet accent lighting, a built-in stainless steel double oven with built-in microwave, a 5-burner gas cooktop with decorative backsplash, and an adjacent breakfast nook that looks out onto the backyard. The private master suite features a tray ceiling, ceiling fan, crown molding, private patio access, and a cozy reading area with large beautiful windows. The master bath features bi-level vanities with makeup area, a deep relaxing garden tub with jets, an extended walk-in shower with custom tile, and a spacious master closet. Upstairs you'll find the game room, featuring a ceiling fan, wainscoting, large windows, and plenty of open space for the kids to relax, study, or hang out with their friends. The media room features an elevated platform for raised seating, surround sound wiring, a wet bar with cabinet storage, and a media closet. 3 additional secondary bedrooms with vaulted ceilings, large closets, a Jack and Jill bathroom, and another full bathroom complete the second floor. This Hillcrest floor plan also includes a covered patio with a ceiling fan and outdoor speaker wiring, and a huge backyard with plenty of room for entertaining family and friends. This magnificent Hillcrest with media floor plan is available to be built in the master-planned community of LeTara in Hazlet, Texas. Call or visit First Texas Homes to find out more about building the Hillcrest with media floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you'll receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are so confident in our low rates, if we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.